Himanta Biswa Sarma will succeed Sarvanand Sonowal as the Chief Minister of Assam. At the Legislator Party meeting held in Guwahati today, Mr. Sonowal had proposed the name of Mr. Sarma after Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave his approval for Mr. Sarma's elevation, and it was seconded by the MLAs. The BJP had won a second straight term in the recently concluded assembly polls in the state. The party had won 60 seats in the 126-member Assam Assembly, while its alliance partners AGP got 9 seats and UPPL 6 seats. Moving on to the next news, the Indian Medical Association IMA on Saturday said the Union Health Ministry was showing extreme lethargy and taking inappropriate actions in dealing with the second wave of the coronavirus pandemic. The medical body, in its press release, said it has been insisting the centre to impose a complete national lockdown for 10 to 15 days to recoup and replenish the country's health infrastructure. The IMA pointing out that the daily rise in new coronavirus cases has gone past 4 lakh and 40% of them were moderate to severe infections, said the sporadic night curfews have not been effective in breaking the transmission chain. The IMA also accused the government of hiding the number of patients dying of coronavirus, adding that 756 doctors died in the first wave of the pandemic and 146 in the second one. Why we are trying to hide actual deaths, the medical body asked. If the public comes to know about the actual deaths, their seriousness to adopt COVID-appropriate behaviors will rise, it further added. Moving on to the next news, asking for tax waivers on the import of medicines and equipment needed to fight the COVID pandemic, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee today wrote a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Mamata Banerjee called on the Prime Minister to help strengthen health infrastructure and augment supplies of medicines and oxygen for treatment of coronavirus positive patients in Bengal and across India. The West Bengal CM said organizations, individuals and benevolent agencies had offered aid from oxygen concentrators and cylinders to cryogenic storage tanks and COVID-19 medicines. She urged the central government to exempt such items from GST and customs duties so as to encourage private aid. Moving on to the next news, Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal on Sunday extended the lockdown, this time a stricter one in the national capital, till May 17 in a bid to break the chain of transmission further. As part of these restrictions, metro services in the city will also be shut. Delhi recorded 13,336 positive cases and 273 deaths in the last 24 hours with a positivity rate of 21.67%. The positivity rate has gone down, but still we can't afford leniency. We need to extend the lockdown, Mr. Kejriwal said. During the lockdown, we utilized the time to enhance our healthcare infrastructure. The main issue in Delhi was oxygen shortage. With centre's help, the condition is better now, the Chief Minister said. Moving on to the next news, the principal mode by which people are infected with SARS-CoV-2 virus, the virus that causes COVID-19, is through very fine aerosolized particles released during respiration, the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention said in new guidelines on Friday, almost a month later after the Lancet found the virus is transmitted through the air. The top US medical body said the risk of transmission is greatest within 3 to 6 feet of an infectious source where the concentration of these very fine droplets and particles is greatest.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.